This is a method that might help you turn your everyday internet use into a steady stream of income. This could be the simplest way to get started out of all the ways you can use ChatGPT to generate money online. It can be done without investing money, creating a website, or hiring freelancers. Simply go to chatgpt.com and begin responding to inquiries. Commissions will be generated automatically in this manner. Please make sure to watch all the way through as I walk you through the full process. But keep in mind that before an internet business can succeed, it must put in time and effort. Now, let's go straight into the video. As you know, recently many ways have been revealed to make money with ChatGPT, like providing various freelance services, for example. However, many people didn't like the idea for different reasons. One of them was a claim that the freelance marketplace is too competitive and it's not easy to find clients. Even though I don't 100% agree with that, I decided to share this new method, which is entirely different from what you've heard before. The method requires 3 different websites. The first is Quora.com, which is the biggest question and answer social website. It gives you answers about any topic, and it also allows you to answer others' questions, and this is what we're going to do. The second website we need is ClickBank. If you don't know, ClickBank is one of the biggest affiliate marketplaces online with thousands of affiliate offers in different niches you can promote. But if ClickBank is not available in your country, you can use an alternative website like Digistore24. And the last website you need is, of course, the one and only ChatGPT. With the help of those 3 websites combined, you can start making passive income. Now, let me show you how this method works in detail. Thus, the first thing you need to do is register for a free account on Quora.com. You can see how easy it is. You may register with Facebook or your email address. This is how your dashboard will appear when you log in. As you can see, you may click here to add or modify a new language in addition to accessing your profile options. But since we have this search bar up here, none of it really matters. Thus, finding issues on Quora that we can resolve with ChatGPT and ClickBank is our primary objective. ClickBank will supply us with things to promote in order to earn commissions, and the chatbot will offer us with thorough responses. Now, there are many problems you can start solving to make profits, but I suggest that you focus on 3 categories. Number 1, health. Number 2, wealth. And number 3, relationships. These 3 categories are the best if you're looking for quick results. But of course, there's still a lot of other topics out there that you can try. For example, you can pick weight loss or stress relief, which means you're in the health category, or how to make money online, which will be in the wealth category, and so on. Well, let's utilize weight loss for this video. We may begin by entering weight loss into the search bar, which will yield an infinite number of results, as you can see. Each of these inquiries relates to the subject we have selected. Additionally, there are some filters over here on the left. Please set the type to questions and make sure the time is always set to the previous day or hour. You won't have as many rivals if you use these criteria as you would if you were answering questions that were submitted some time ago. We've all lately posted queries on weight loss, as you can see. I'll start with this one, which asks, does the time you eat matter for weight loss? To initiate a conversation, simply copy the question and visit ChatGPT. I also usually ask the chatbot to break up the answer into distinct pieces and provide a bulleted summary at the conclusion in order to receive high-quality responses. In this manner, your responses will be unique. Alright, you can copy your response after it has been produced and return to Quora. Click Answer here, then copy and paste the ChatGPT-generated text. Additionally, you may add gaps between the paragraphs or bold the important phrases to make it simpler to read and seem nicer. Don't upload it right away when you're done, since we still need to locate a product to promote, which is a crucial step. All you need to do is head to clickbank.com and create a free account. Once you're in, you'll see all the different offers you can promote, and here you will have the product categories on the left-hand side. What we need to do now is find a product related to the question we're answering, so in my case, I will search for weight loss. After that, all related products will appear. As you can see, do your research, pick your favorite offer, and generate your affiliate link. I've decided to choose this one, the smoothie diet. After that, we get back to Quora, and all we need to do now is add the affiliate link to the answer. And there are many ways to do that, but I'll show you my favorite. For example, you can add a new section to your answer by typing personal recommendation, then paste the product name you're promoting. Once you've done that, you can simply add the link to the product name. As you can see, this looks much cleaner than pasting the link as it is. I suggest you add the link multiple times in the answer, not just at the end. Just please make sure to find the right spot to mention your product so you don't look like spam. Lastly, press the post button. You will now get paid when someone reads your response and clicks the affiliate link to make a purchase. The best part is that you will earn passive money without doing any more effort, since you only need to do this once and your response will be active forever. To succeed with this approach, you must respond to as many inquiries as you can each day. Additionally, as I've mentioned in the video, aim to be among the first to respond to the questions by utilizing the time filter. This is a brief summary of all the things you need to do. Step 1 is to register for a free account on Quora.com and select a niche. Step 2, look for questions that are associated with your subject. In the third step, use ChatGPT to produce the replies. Step 4, register with ClickBank and select a product that is associated with your response. Step 5, at most twice in your response, mention the affiliate link. Sixth tip, share the solution and go through the procedure at least 20 times every day. That was it for today's video. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Also, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, as this motivates me to produce more videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.